Hello guys, I'm back. My name is Gabriel Rubis and I will be playing some of this one, Extreme Car Driving, because I recorded the ultimate car driving drifting. So I will be test that drift like trade juice drift. If you see the symbol of drift, and I will be going to the airport soon. Okay, I'm here now, guys, and this is the good spot. This is the update version, and another airplane is not moving because they cannot move in this. They cannot move like this. Car can do that. So I will start the down of the light. This one, down of the light. Okay, down just like that. Whoa, whoa! Oh my God! It's not better to this place. Look at that! It's awesome. I will be use this car, the fastest car in this. This name car is Jesco. Whoa, look at that, the airplane is moving. I will be change my car soon because I'm watching another video. Some awesome drift. Skyline GTR R34. Okay, I will be back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the garage near of the airport. Sorry guys, I post my video and let's get in this. I will be not color my car because that color is so awesome. Oh my God, I will be not click that. This one, I bought my car into red. Look at that. Look like I don't know something. Okay, let's go. This is like a sound of the GTR. The stunt again. Woo, that was awesome. Boom. Ouch. Okay, guys. Whoa. Oh, my car is crashed. Okay, start. 3, 2, 1, go. One click only. Oh my God. What? It did? What happened? Whoa! It's steady, guys. Look at that. I cannot change my... I can't touch my controller of my keypad because it's now drifting alone. My God. Crazy car. Oh, there's a U-turn. Oh! Wow, there's an inertia drift. Whoa, inertia drift again. This car is so slow, but it's okay. Drift is awesome. Whee! Another stunt. Okay, let's get in over there. Oh my God. Bye. That was an awesome drift. Okay. I will be say goodbye now. I'm finishing my record. Wow, look at that. This is the best drifting ever. This Koenig said Jesco. 500 million fans of this car, the Jesco. I will be stopped because, okay, I will be say goodbye now. Okay, goodbye.